ladies and gentlemen. This is Chef Uldis, and I'm back. And what are we gonna do today? Shrimp Francaise. We're gonna do shrimp Francaise. Yeah! This is our shrimp. We have nice 5 shrimp.
5!
Natural shrimp, no chemicals here. We got egg wash. We have flour. We have shallots. We have lemon, and we have fresh parsley. And we need some fresh butter too. And it's Cookie Monster singing in the background. Yeah! Alright, so we need a hot frying pan like this. We're gonna get it nice and hot. We're gonna put our olive oil in there, extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna take our shrimp, make sure it's butterflied like this, like that.
I know.
Yeah, I'm back in town. We're gonna put the shrimp back into the frying pan here. We're gonna flour the shrimp, dip it in the egg wash. These are just beaten eggs. Some grated cheese, fresh parsley, a little salt and pepper in there. Alright, so this is a really fast process. Woo. So we're going to flip the shrimp and get it nice and golden on both sides. Just like that.
I know.
We're going to let this cook for maybe another 30, 40 seconds. Very fast process. It's done in less than 5 minutes. So we're going to take our shrimp out, like that, and we're going to make the sauce in there. You can do Francaise, just about anything. Do chicken Francaise. I'm going to do a chicken Francaise, veal Francaise, shrimp Francaise. We're going to do shrimp Francaise.
Oh my God!
Flounder Francaise. This is shrimp Francaise. Bam! This is Chef Uldis, over and out. Hey, this is Chef Uldis. If you like the show, subscribe. Yeah!